The DuPont Black Powder Mills were one of the first examples of large-scale manufacturing in the United States. E.I. DuPont was an immigrant who had been trained by the famous chemist Lavoisier, who was executed during the French Revolution.
Behind me is the mansion of the DuPont family.
3 generations of DuPont families lived in the mansion while operating this business over a century.
From the mansion, DuPont could survey the factory down below.
The house was on a hillside overlooking the sprawling factory grounds. Hundreds of employees and their families also lived on the grounds. The company provided housing, a store, and even a dedicated school for the children. The United States was hungry for black powder for building canals and clearing roads as we expanded westward. Water-powered mills on the Brandywine River made the black powder. A canal was cut to divert water about 20 feet above the river. Sluice gates were installed to control water flow to turbines that powered the millworks.
Here, when I raise it up, it will allow the water to flow down the water to the river.
Black powder is made by mixing saltpeter with sulfur and charcoal.
We would bring the 3 ingredients to make the powder down here in carts and load it into the mill with the mill standing still. This was a batch process, and they could pick up to 600 pounds in a batch.
The finished product then had to be packed into barrels in a Cooper Works powered by a steam engine.
My name is Pete. Welcome to the steam engine. How are you guys? Awesome. That water in there is about 275 degrees. It turns into steam. And steam rises and it collects into that thing called the steam dome. And then from there it will go across this pipe right down here to the steam engine. Now this is the throttle. The steam's going to come in. It goes into this thing called a piston. And it goes back and forth. It's dual acting. That just means it always has steam making it. We're making black powder. They had to finally pack it up and put it in barrels.
Power from the steam engine was transmitted up the hillside by a system of gears and shafts. Machinists were essential to building and repairing everything that made the factory work. Even the machine shop and its equipment was powered by water turbines.
We've seen where the power started. We're actually going to get it started in this room now, right? We're going to have it come into the room. I'm going to use a lever to take the wheel that is turning now and use the belt that's attached to it to turn wheels above your head. That's transferring that rotary movement, that movement on the turbine, yet another step onto a longer area known as a line shaft. One thing that they can do, of course, is cut the metal. Right here, different belt, a different wheel, It now turns all the way down here, and it is in fact turning the tool itself. So basically what it's doing, this is turning, and it's just cutting back and forth and back and forth. This is the kind of work that they would have been doing in this room. Even though these tools are running on water power, and these tools are 160 years old, they're still doing the same business that they needed to do back then. They can do exactly the same work.
Thank you for coming today.
The DuPont mills are evidence of the hard work and industriousness that built the United States.